Yeah, hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. Okay, you can actually make money, guys, trading stepping this with this strategy I'm going to show you right now. If you simply listen and understand the strategy, all you need to do is watch this video attentively and kill into the strategy and make money for yourself. Yeah, this is stepping the strategy I'm going to show you right now. So before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will get notified when we drop a new video, and click on the link at the description below to open a Deriv account if you want to start trading step index and volatilities and also crash and boom. Okay, let's dive into it without wasting much time, guys. Okay, I'm holding this trade. You can see my entry at this level for step index and on a $200+ profit. Okay, so this is the simple strategy I'm gonna show you right now for step index. First thing you need to do is get your indicators, which is the first indicator, the moving average, period 3, the shift 0 method, exponential applied to typical price, the style 2 pixel. We're using yellow as the color. Okay, yellow done. Does this look like yellow? Okay, this is yellow, and then we're using 2 pixel. Okay, you click on done. So guys, I just need this video to be as fast as possible. Then the next indicator, you click on it, the plus, another moving average. We're taking period 60, shift 0, the method simple. Yeah, apply to close, 3 pixel. Let's take on green. You click done. Okay, that's the second indicator, which is another moving average. The third one, again, guys, we're using another moving average. We're taking period 7 and shift 0, as you can see right now. Shift 0, method simple, apply to close, 2 pixel. We take red. Let me take it 2 pixel. Yeah, we're done with that. Okay, we're done with that, guys. You get it? Okay, the next indicator, we're using the stochastic. Oh no, the stochastic, guys. The stochastic. You click on add, go down for the stochastic oscillator. You then select it and make everything 111. As you can see, the price feed low/high. Then the method simple. Yeah, make it 1 pixel, everything 1 pixel, and then this 1 pixel. You can see the levels. You use 20, 80 and 50. You click done. We're done. So the function of this stochastic is to give you the levels, which is the 80, the 50, the midpoint, and the 20, which is the oversold level. So that is all we need for stochastic. The another indicator we will need is the Ichimoku. This time add it at the indicator window 1. The indicator window 1, that's where you add the Ichimoku. So you go for the Ichimoku, you select the Ichimoku, just as you can see on my screen, 9, 26 and 52. 9, 26 and 52. Set it like that. The Kijun, make your color blue, put it 4 pixel. You click save. Then the Kijun Chico span, up Kumo, down Kumo, make it the color of your screen. Yeah, the color of your screen. As you can see, mine is white, so I'm making it white. It's not needed, that's why you make it white. You click done. We just need this blue. Yeah, okay, we've gotten that. So that is the indicators we need for the strategy. That is just it. If you like, you can add another moving average here especially for 100 users. But so for 100 users, you can add another indicator here. Okay, let me just add it. Make it on period 3, shift 0 method exponential, apply to previous indicator data. But for iPhone, it doesn't appear. The previous indicator data doesn't appear, so that's why we won't be using it. But for Android users, click on it, previous indicator data. It also will be good for you, but if it doesn't appear, you can also leave it like that. So done with the indicators. Okay, you can see the indicators we are using: 3 moving average, the stochastic oscillator, and the Ichimoku. So we are done. Okay, so how do we use this strategy for step index? So you can use it on any time frame, starting from the 1 minute time frame. You can use it. Okay, good to go. As you can see, let me mark it on the 1 minute time frame right now. So 3 conditions needs to be met on this strategy, guys. The zoom level is the 3rd zoom level. Like I always say, the 3rd zoom level, it's what you use for the strategy. Okay, watch out. Using the strategy, you need 3 conditions. 1, you have to watch out when this red and the yellow moving average intersect. First condition. Watch out for the green moving average intersecting with the price chart. Watch out for that. And you watch out for this blue Ichimoku being at the oversold, which is from the 20 level, or at the overbought, which is from the 80 level. Okay, those are the 3 conditions. So why or how do you buy using the strategy, or how do you sell using the strategy? This is a perfect opportunity to place a sell using the step in the strategy. When you see the red moving average cross above the yellow moving average, it indicates a sell. That is the first confirmation. And the green moving average will cross above the chart. It is another confirmation. So when you see the red moving average above the yellow moving average, and then you wait for the green moving average to cross above the chart, which indicates another sell, you can see. And the Ichimoku at the overbought level, look, above the 80, it indicates a sell. You slide it down, you make some profit from this point. You keep on sliding, you can take your profit at the 50 level. So you got a lot of pips from here to this point. Remember, this is 1 minute time frame, so it's very fast. You can catch a lot of it on the market. So from that point down to this 50 level, you made a lot of profit. If you wish, you can wait until it gets to this 20 level, but as soon as it touches the 20 level, you leave the market, because that is the oversold level. So you leave the market, you start waiting for another opportunity, just like a lion waits to get an antelope or probably a zebra. Okay, so that's the strategy, guys. It's a very powerful strategy. As far the condition are met, it works. Yeah, as far the condition it's met, the strategy works perfectly. You just have to enter only confirmed signal, guys. You don't enter because it's close to no. Wait for the 3 conditions to be met before you enter. Look, this is at the oversold level. This is at the oversold level, and look, the green moving average crossed below the chart, which indicated buy, and the brown moving average is above the red moving average. This is a buy. It's a buy, guys. You can see it works. As far the 3 conditions are met, it doesn't fail. Look again, the green moving average crossed above the chart, indicates a sell. The red moving average above the yellow moving average, which indicates a sell. And these are the overbought level, guys. You place your sell, you make your profit and take profit. Look, profit, guys. You make money with this strategy. You make money. Look, another point. Imagine you were on the market, sitting in front of your computer, making profit for yourself. Look, making profit, guys. You can make a lot of money with this strategy. Look again, condition met. Look, it doesn't fail as far the 3 conditions are met. So you trade where and you make profit for yourself with this strategy. You can decide to move it to 5-minute time frame. It's all the same. Look, condition met at this point. Overbought here. The green moving average crossed above the chart. The red moving average above the yellow moving average. It's a sell. Continuously, guys, continuously you make money from the market. This is how we make money with this strategy, guys. So that's it, guys. That's it. We show you the strategy, you make money. Make sure you share it to your friends. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make money with this strategy. Look, again, at this point it crosses above. At this point, overbought, sell. Again, overbought, sell. You can see long sell. This is 5-minute time frame. Look, again, oversold, crosses below, buy. Guys, man, this is strategy for stepping this. You can make a lot of money. Just understand the strategy, know how it works, and make money for yourself. There is nothing behind this, guys. There is nothing behind it. It's just for you to know what you're doing with it. Look, we're making profit with the strategy. It's just simple understanding. That's why we're sharing it with you. Make money for yourself. So that's it, guys. That's all I got for you right now. Make sure you subscribe to Forex Success. Hit that thumbs up button right now to give me some encouragement. Open an account on Deriv if you don't have, and start trading, stepping this, volatilities, and crash and boom. It's 24/7. That is, you can trade it all the time. It doesn't close. The market doesn't close. It's all the time. So click on the link at the description and open an account. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thanks for